Standard ECG report generation models flatten 12 lead signals into a single vector, losing localized morphology. ST elevation in leads II, and AVF indicates inferior MI, not just generic abnormality. Early aggregation dilutes this critical diagnostic evidence. This is ECG-LENS, a lead-aware, clinically enriched framework for automated ECG reporting. ECG-LENS uses a dual-path encoder. Leadwise 1D, ResNet 18 encoders process each lead independently to preserve localized waveform morphology. Simultaneously, a global 1D ResNet 18 encoder stacks all channels to capture interlead dependencies. These representations are concatenated, giving the decoder both fine-grained local detail and global cardiac context. But signals alone aren't enough. ECG-LENS fuses signal features with clinically enriched text prompts. It uses a frozen MERL classifier to predict diagnostic labels. High-confidence predictions are converted into a structured clinical paragraph, providing the GPT-2 decoder with an explicit diagnostic plan. The decoder is trained from scratch, using a domain-specific tokenizer built from refined reports. Those reports are also cleaned. Raw ECG text is noisy, multilingual, and repetitive. ECG-LENS preprocesses training targets using an LLM to extract principal diagnostic content, standardizing language while preserving rhythm, morphology, and lead-specific findings. Evaluation is where most methods fail. BLEU and ROUGE measure lexical overlap, not clinical truth. A hallucinated report can score high on ROUGE. To fix this, the authors introduce F1 ECG-BERT. This metric trains BERT classifiers to extract diagnostic labels from text. It measures agreement across superclasses, subclasses, rhythms, and forms, penalizing reports that miss or hallucinate clinically important findings. Results on PTBXL and cross-domain mimic IV ECG show ECG-LENS beats state-of-the-art baselines. Absolute gains of 4% in Meteor, 6.3% in ROUGE, and 11.5% in F1 ECG-BERT. The model generalizes well, maintains performance across domains, and runs inference in just 30 milliseconds. ECG-LENS demonstrates that preserving lead-specific context and integrating clinical prompts is essential for reliable ECG report generation. Check the paper link below for the full architecture and ablation studies.